In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers on a card on Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Trello, open your board, and place the perfect sticker on a card to highlight priorities, add a bit of fun, or call attention to important tasks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Trello. From the results, click the official Trello website to go straight to your workspace. If you prefer, you can also enter the Trello address directly into the browser bar. If you're asked to sign in, use your usual account and proceed to your dashboard. Once you're in, open any board where you want to work. Choose a board where you have edit access and that already has at least one card visible in a list, since we'll be dropping a sticker onto it. Give the board a second to load fully so the menu options appear. Look toward the top right corner of the board for the three-dot menu. This is the board's Options menu. Click it to open the panel. From the menu that appears, select Stickers. This brings up Trello's sticker library, typically in a sidebar. You'll see a variety of colorful, expressive options, including static and sometimes animated stickers, depending on your workspace features. If a search field is available, you can use it to quickly find a theme or mood, but simply scrolling the gallery works great too. Browse until you find a sticker that matches the tone you want, something that marks urgency, celebrates a win, or just adds personality to a task. When you've chosen one, click it and hold. With your mouse still held down, drag the sticker over to the card on your board where you want it to appear. As you hover over a card, you'll usually see a subtle highlight indicating you're in the right place. Release your mouse to drop the sticker onto the card's front. If the placement isn't quite right, you can often click and drag the sticker again on the card to nudge it where you want, giving it the perfect spot to stand out without covering essential text. That's all it takes. Find Trello, open your board, use the three-dot menu, choose stickers, and drag your selection onto a card. Stickers are a quick, visual way to communicate status, mood, or priority at a glance, and they make scanning your board much faster. Give it a try on a couple of cards to see what feels most helpful for your workflow, and keep your visuals consistent so your team instantly understands what each sticker means.